Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Elantra door panel. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead. Begin by locating the two main screws. One is typically found inside the door pull handle, and another might be behind a small cover near the door release lever. Gently remove these. Next, use your trim tool to carefully pry up the window switch panel, starting from one edge. Once the window switch panel is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to it. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. Look for any additional screws that might have been hidden underneath the switch panel or in the armrest area. Remove these as well. Now, starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the plastic clips all around the perimeter. With all the clips released, gently lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action disengages the panel from the window channel at the top. Once it's lifted, you'll need to reach behind the panel to disconnect the door handle cable. This often involves rotating a small plastic piece and unhooking the cable. Also, disconnect any other remaining electrical connectors for speakers or lights before fully setting the panel aside. To reinstall, first reconnect all electrical components and the door handle cable. Make sure the cable is properly seated and functioning. Align the top edge of the door panel into the window channel, then push the panel firmly against the door frame to engage all the plastic clips. Replace all the screws you removed earlier. Finally, test your power windows, door lock, and door handle to ensure everything is working correctly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.